Who else would I fly it?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be playing. No. ABCY. Yeah, guys. Alright, let's play some ABCY games. So right now we're going to do BK. Okay. BK. Let's scroll down. Let's fridge.
Better? What? Bring it up.
Come on, come on. My burning. Why isn't this thing loaded? My head hurts from screaming. Okay.
Somewhere.
Uh,
No. I'm gonna cut it.
Wait, can I move the camera on?
No, I just want to see how far I can go. Yeah.
How about you, Clay? I want to see him.
No, I want to watch it. Let's go.
oh my god, this ad is so good. I want to play it.
This is that thing. You see that? Yeah, the down thing.
Alright.
Now, maybe if I get one.
Let's play Friendly Friends.
Now? Oh, it's glitchy. Yeah.
K.
Yeah, we're good.
Move the camera. What?
How do you move the camera?
No, don't.
Look.
N. I.
N-I-S. D-N-I-S.
Oh my god, guys.
Six.
Right there.
Nine.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah.
Let me have a go.
Oh.
K.
Oh.
Y. Yeah. S. S. L. O.
Two for
U.
Going now.
T.
Let's need another one.
W.
Yeah.
H. O.
emergency stop. One takeoff.
E.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.